DREMEL has always been and remains a developer and producer of top-quality multifunctional electric tools. Its history started in 1932 when its founder Albert J. DREMEL, American inventor and industrialist, had invented his first multifunctional electric tool. DREMEL supplies its universal tools used in many different spheres of activity or hobbies. DREMEL VersaFlame is a soldering lamp, enabling the use of direct flame with a catalytic agent and soldering bit. It is the most universal fixed soldering lamp for the moment. It is particularly useful in your home workshop. The tool is used for soldering, shrinking, welding, painting removal. The soldering lamp runs on liquid butane. It is characterized by quick heating and recharging. You may use any appropriate gas cylinder to charge the soldering lamp. For example, gas cylinder for lighters. Insert a gas cylinder into the appropriate nozzle at the rear of the soldering lamp for several seconds, and the lamp will be ready for operation. Vessel volume is 22 grams. Full vessel increases operating period up to 75 minutes under maximum load conditions. The soldering lamp has safety mechanism preventing switching of the tool by children. Remove safety lock and press timer to switch on the tool. Control lever increases or decreases temperature and length of a flame jet. Lock push button enables long-term use of the switched-on tool. Removable support enables stationary operation of the tool. DREMEL VersaFlame achieves the required temperature equal to 1200 degrees Celsius immediately after the ignition of the soldering lamp. The activator warms air up to 680 degrees Celsius. It is used to melt plastic and other heat-sensitive materials. It also provides effective fusion of heat-sensitive electric cable isolation. Screw soldering bit to activator and fix it with a lock. Now you solder different electronic components in circuit plates with your soldering lamp. Soldering temperature is 550 degrees Celsius. You may also use other optional DREMEL soldering bits. The bit provides air heating up to 1000 degrees Celsius approximately. Fix the bit on the tool. Now you can heat sufficiently large surfaces, for example, to remove paint. The reflector is installed into the soldering bit to bow preheated material easily. The tool is stored and transported in a metallic case. High-quality DREMEL VersaFlame soldering lamp is used to execute various soldering works, and material heating will take a significant place in your home workshop.